I often find myself pondering the future, and one thing's for certain: AI is going to change everything. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, artificial intelligence is already reshaping our daily lives. But what if I told you that this is just the beginning? Let's explore how AI is set to transform every aspect of our world, from our homes to our cities, and even our own bodies. Let's start with where we spend most of our time, our homes. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, not because you set an alarm, but because your AI-powered smart home system knew exactly when you'd be getting up. As you stumble into the kitchen, the lights adjust to your preferred brightness, and your virtual assistant greets you with a personalized news briefing and weather report. Your refrigerator has already analyzed its contents and suggested a healthy breakfast recipe based on your dietary preferences and the ingredients you have on hand. As you leave for work, your home automatically adjusts the temperature and turns off unnecessary appliances, optimizing energy usage. This isn't science fiction, it's the near future of AI in our daily lives. Now let's talk about something even more personal: your health. AI is revolutionizing healthcare in ways that were once unimaginable. Wearable devices powered by AI can now monitor your vital signs 24/7, detecting potential health issues before they become serious problems. In hospitals, AI-assisted surgeries are becoming more common, allowing for incredibly precise procedures that reduce recovery times and improve outcomes. But what about getting to that hospital? Well, that's where AI in transportation comes in. Autonomous vehicles are no longer just a dream, they're becoming a reality. These AI-driven cars promise to dramatically reduce accidents caused by human error, ease traffic congestion, and give us back countless hours we currently spend focused on the road. In fact, studies suggest that widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles could save up to 1.3 million lives annually worldwide. Imagine using your commute time to catch up on work, read a book, or even take a nap. AI isn't just changing how we live and move, it's also transforming how we learn and manage our money. In education, AI is enabling personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's individual needs and learning style. Adaptive learning programs can identify areas where a student is struggling and provide targeted assistance, while also challenging them in areas where they excel. For example, one AI-powered math tutoring app increased student test scores by 23% after just 12 weeks of use. When it comes to our finances, AI is making sophisticated investment strategies accessible to everyone. Robo-advisors use complex algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios, taking into account your financial goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. These AI-powered financial assistants can also help with budgeting, detect fraudulent transactions, and even negotiate better deals on your bills. In fact, some AI-powered bill negotiation services have saved users an average of $300 per year on their cable and internet bills alone. Now let's fast forward and look at the future of virtual assistants. The next generation of AI companions will understand and respond to human emotions. In e-commerce, AI will make online shopping more personalized and efficient. Advanced systems will suggest products based on your past purchases, current context, mood, and even the weather. AI-powered virtual try-on technologies will let you see how clothes or makeup look on you without leaving home. One major retailer reported a 40% increase in conversion rates after implementing AI-powered recommendations. As we zoom out from our personal lives, we see how AI is shaping our cities. Smart cities of the future will use AI to optimize everything from traffic flow to energy usage, making urban living more efficient and sustainable. AI is being employed to tackle global issues. Climate scientists use AI-driven models to understand and predict climate change impacts. In agriculture, AI enables precision farming techniques that increase crop yields while minimizing environmental impact. One city reduced its energy consumption by 20% after implementing AI-controlled street lighting. With these advancements come important ethical considerations. As AI integrates into our lives, we need to grapple with issues of data privacy, job displacement, and the potential for AI systems to perpetuate existing biases. Some experts estimate that up to 47% of US jobs could be at risk of automation in the coming decades. As we've seen, AI is set to transform virtually every aspect of our daily lives. The future is coming faster than we might think, and it's up to us to shape it. Stay informed, engage in discussions about AI's ethical implications, and consider how you might adapt to this AI-powered future. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.